My name is Alicia Lerma, and this is my community portrait. As I was walking throughout my community and taking in all of the sights, I decided to capture images from multiple different locations, as the Coachella Valley is an encompassment of 5 different cities in which embrace the differences and the cultural aspects that those bring to our small little town. So I really wanted to capture that within the images I selected to share. This first slide has some images of my school site. This is a local elementary school. Some of the things I noticed are that it's old. I could see older style tile, older style cabinetry, older styles within the office, and the images that were hanging in the office. I can hear children playing. In the early mornings, you can hear the birds chirping and the silence before students start to come through those gates. You can smell fresh cut grass, fresh air. I really noticed the most that stuck out to me was that the structure of this school has been around for decades, and it hasn't really changed. It has that sense of familiarity to it. Is what stood out to me the most. These images are taken of kind of just the overview of what the landscape looks like here. One is taken right before the sun went down, and one is taken right after. We have beautiful photos and views of the mountains and the moon, the sunsets. So I could see the moon, I could see the mountains, you can see the clouds, you can see the city lights. You can hear the wind blowing, you can hear the rustling of branches. You can smell dirt. Something that stands out to me is we have a lot of empty dirt sand lots. There have been more in the past. However, they have evolved due to our city becoming a destination location, and being able to watch the community adapt to that has been eye-opening through the lens of observing my community this week. Before, I used to see my neighborhood as intimate, small, an area where everybody knew everyone. And now, as I look back at my community and the neighborhood, it's expanding. It's a tourist destination. We have a lot of snowbirds that come to travel and stay here during the winter. Palm trees. I see palm trees. I hear palm trees when the wind is blowing. You can smell the dates. You can smell the fresh watering of the trees. You can see the abundance of sand, especially when the winds are blowing. You can see the sand flying in the air. You can smell the dust. A lot of the times you see the gas prices. Gas is becoming an expensive fortune here in the desert. And you also will see a lot of the Sun Line transit buses. This is something that I felt was important to incorporate because our neighborhood is encompassed outside of the tourist of working families, and families that oftentimes have very little. We are considered a middle class area in the city of Cathedral City. However, we are surrounded by higher class, not so low income housing and families and neighbors. So when you see Sunline Transit, it's a lot of working families, families with low income that use this as their transportation every day. When we can't afford gas prices, the transit bus is an affordable option to navigate around the neighborhood. There are often multiple families living in homes. You can see by the abundance of cars that are in front of the residence, parked outside. You can hear a lot of chatter as there are lots of people talking on the patios outside of their neighborhoods, standing by the cars, having beverages, catching up with life after work. You also might see and hear a lot of wildlife, bighorn sheep, snakes, dogs barking, stray cats and stray dogs. So throughout this experience, it has allowed me to view my neighborhood differently in the eyes of culture and community, and immigration and language and education. We have a lot of immigrants that actually reside here in the Coachella Valley in California. Again, those families are typically our low-income, working-class families, and they are trying to make ends meet. I would say that our community does a really good job at incorporating culture. When you look around and you see the people that walk the streets of my community, you see lots of different skin colors, lots of different religions, lots of different ethnicities and personalities. It's an environment that is filled with difference and differentiation. However, I feel the community does a great job at providing equal access to those that are here. There's a lot of language supports for English language learners. Most restaurants, most grocery stores, most places have things in English and in Spanish, or have most of the staff is bilingual and they speak both English and Spanish. So it makes it very easy for those who are learning the English language to not feel so secluded and left out. Our schools are filled with a heavy population of English language learners who also come from socially economic disadvantaged families. Those of being immigrants and working class families, and my attitude has definitely shifted as I've learned new things about my community through these lenses, and just really noticing how much support and inclusion there is for people to be a part of education. There's lots of flyers and infographics as you walk through the streets, whether they're on bulletin boards, billboards, listening to it on the radio station, of ways that you can plug into the valley, whether it's classes on Saturdays at the district office, supporting families who want to be better and be more involved in education for their students, or farmers markets, or local cultural festivals, multicultural festivals that take place here in the Coachella Valley. And it has allowed me to grow my appreciation for living here, being raised here, being able to see how cultures and differences are embraced, as well as how a community can transform by those environmental factors, by the changing of the landforms and the building of new houses. So that is my community. Thank you for listening, and I hope you are able to get a feel and sense for how I felt as I did my community walk, and observed and reflected on the things of my community. Thank you.